Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, DJI Mini 4K, and now I'm going to show you how to install your smartphone on this DJI controller. So firstly, for example, I have an iPhone. I have old iPhone. I have iPhone 14, so I should use USB-C to Lightning cable. So in the box with this device, you will get USB-C to the Lightning cable, and we should use this cable to connect our smartphone to our controller. So firstly, of course, we should take out the holder. So take the holder out, then try to insert the Type-C. As you can see, here we have two places to insert the cable, but as you notice, the one of them, so on the left side, if we looking at the controller from this side, so on the left side we have normal USB Type-C, but on the right side we have fake USB, just to hide our different part of cable. So just insert the USB-C cable to USB-C port. Cool. And now we can install our device. So I suggest you install it in the way when your cable will be near the USB port. And cool, that's it. Now just connect your device with the controller, and cool, now we can use our device with our controller, and as you can see, it's really stable. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.